It's a great combination of salty and sweet, and the insides, like right now it's hot out, so these cookies are extra mushy, but like they are very gooey cookies. Like the center is almost like cookie dough.
What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. We're up in East End Market. We are up here filming a full tour of East End Market, so that'll be in a separate video. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free to check that out. There's so many great places to eat and drink here, so we're excited for this.
However, we wanted to do our own separate video on Gideon's Bakehouse, which is a little bakery in East End Market that we personally have been obsessed with for a while, but they actually have a new location opening up in Disney Springs this upcoming winter. And they are definitely, kind of like a local gem that I think is going to get really big soon. So we kind of just wanted to, kind of tell everyone about it.
Yeah, we wanted to do a video on it before it goes to Disney Springs so that people who are like anticipating it can kind of get an idea of what you can expect and what to get before it comes, because it's going to get very, very mainstream when it hits Disney Springs. I mean, you're going to see, I guarantee it, you're going to see families go out of their way to get this every trip. You're going to see lines out the door at Disney Springs because this line is...
The line is wrapped around the corner today,
so.
And this is, a little 200 square foot bakery, so...
Yeah, so this is going to be getting very interesting, but we're going to put on our masks, jump in line, and we'll...
Get ourselves some cookies.
Exactly, and we'll film as much footage as we can to show you exactly what the little bakery looks like. It's a small little shop, and there's so many small little spots here at East End, but there's a lot of really great food and great drinks. So let's do this thing, and let's go get some cookies. My name is Jared.
And I'm Molly.
Let's do this. Alright guys, so long line, but really excited. So we got 2 different cookies, and just so you're aware, these are not your ordinary cookies. These are half-pound cookies. They're $5 each, and it takes usually 2 or 3 times in a round to finish this. I have a friend who's eaten one in one sitting, and he felt sick for the rest of the night.
It gets me dessert for like 3 nights.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy duty.
So their regular menu usually includes, they have a chocolate chip cookie, they always have a double chocolate chip, cookies and cream, peanut butter, and then this one, which is my personal favorites, the pistachio toffee chocolate chip cookie. So pistachios, toffee, we got a little bit of sea salt in there. This one is my personal favorite.
Yes.
And then every month they switch up their, limited edition cookie. And so we decided to try, I believe this one is called Coffee Crumb Cake, but it's cinnamon and just deliciousness. It's got nice sugar crystals on top, big chunks of cinnamon in it, so
yeah,
it smells delicious.
I love I love cinnamon, and I love like coffee cake, so Molly kind of pointed this out to me and told me to get it. Usually though, when I come here, I get the chocolate chip. I mean, I love the Oreo one because, as you guys have known from watching any of these videos, I love Oreos, but I honestly love the chocolate chip the most. It comes with little like crystallized salt on top, and it's just so big, and you've never seen so many chocolate chips on a cookie in your entire life, I guarantee
Gideon's
it.
also does, they're called cookie bites, so they cut up the cookies in quarters and then they dip them in chocolate.
Yeah.
And then they also do cakes, but if you're looking to order a cake or more than 6 cookies, you're going to want to put in an order ahead of time. You're only allowed to purchase 6 cookies at a time and only 2 limited edition cookies at a time.
Yeah, so it gets really wild, and you might think like, oh my gosh, you really have to pre-order cookies ahead of time, but no, you guys, you don't understand. This place sells out almost every single day. Like, it's no joke. It's not like so they close at 6 right now every day during the pandemic, but they literally sell out before 6 almost every day because this place is that popular. So I'm really excited for them to get to Disney Springs because they're going to have more space, probably a bigger venue, which means they'll be able to make more. They're going to have to because they're dealing with Disney and crowds like they've never dealt with before. They get lines here, but when they get the lines at Disney, it's going to be another level. So
absolutely.
So yeah, let's give these a shot.
Look at the cookie. Oh my god.
First I'll show them off, and then we'll give them a shot. So here we go. As Molly was just showing you, I just wanted to give a closer up kind of picture. This is that specialty cookie that she was telling me about. And here's that pistachio. And as you can see, those are serious chocolate chips all over these things. So can't wait to give these a try. Let's do it. Alrighty. I got a little jump start, and you know, I took a bite really quickly, so my bad. But this is delicious. It tastes, to me, it tastes like coffee cake with cinnamon on top, which, you know, growing up in New England, during the fall, we take the fall very seriously up there.
Indeed.
It's like Jim Yafkin talks about that skit about foliage and stuff. New England's crazy about fall. So I grew up and we always got coffee cake and made cinnamon rolls and stuff during the holidays. So this is what this reminds me of.
Yes, and then I have my cookie, which again is, we've been coming here for a while, and this is my go-to one. It's a great combination of salty and sweet, and the insides, like right now it's hot out, so these cookies are extra mushy, but like they are very gooey cookies. Like the center is almost like cookie dough. But you can't ship these cookies. Like you can't order them and get them shipped because the chocolate's just gonna melt everywhere.
It melts
like,
so
you see how
quickly.
many chocolate chips are on these things? Like it's just like it's impossible.
And it almost tastes like they undercook the inside of the cookie because that dough is so thick and so like, I don't know, it just kind of looks like undercooked, tastes undercooked a little bit. And I'm sure they do that on purpose.
It's part of their style.
And it is, and they're half-pound cookies, so they're huge. Give it a shot. You know what I think this would taste amazing with is a big fat scoop of vanilla ice cream. Molly's a big fan of like hot and cold desserts. This reminds me of like apple crisp, like the stuff that you put on top of apple crisp. So I think I'm gonna bring this home and put some ice cream on it later. But yeah, so definitely try both of these cookies. I'm not a huge fan of that one just because I don't really love pistachios, but I know pistachios are a big flavor for a lot of people out there.
I just love the saltiness of it. Like it's a great combination of sweet and salty. I personally find the chocolate chip one to be a little sweet.
Yeah.
So this is a nice balance for me.
And they do also have peanut butter one and a few other just double chocolate, triple chocolate. Like they have a variety of flavors.
Yeah,
And
last month their specialty cookie was like an espresso peanut butter chocolate chip, and oh my god, it was to die for.
Yeah.
I came all the way down here, which is probably a half hour from our apartment. I came all the way down here just to get cookies. For that month.
Yeah, so Gideon's is so awesome. We heavily recommend it. And all of East End Market. Like I said, we filmed a whole video on East End Market. We suggest you guys check it out.
Absolutely.
This is just one of the most underrated, best spots in all of Orlando. I mean, the locals love this place, but if you're visiting Orlando, it's worth the 30-minute drive to get up here and get some local eats from Orlando. It's some like really top-notch place. So yeah, we're gonna eat these and finish up this video.
Well, yeah.
All right, guys. So we are all done with our. Well, we're not even close to done with our Gideon's cookies, but we're all done with this video, rather, because we have literally 3/4 of both of those cookies to eat.
Yeah, and it's too hot to eat.
Yeah, a little too much for us, especially in this August 95-degree weather. So we're gonna go home and lay down in the AC and take naps. But thank you so much for tuning in today. If you guys like this video, please hit like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. And if you want to see more, definitely check out the rest of our channel. We do Disney, Universal, I drive, local spots, all that fun stuff in Orlando, and we're always here for recommendations. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment those down below. Check us out on social media. Shout out to TikTok family because they're really helping us out lately. And yeah, try Gideon's. It's awesome.
Yeah.
A woman, a few words. We're gonna go home and nap now. Thank you so much for joining us. My name's Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And we'll catch you on the flip-flop.